She's looking over at Pauline, who's doing the tuna mayonnaise, talking at her as she always does, blabbing away about the signed photo of Les Dennis she's hoping to get valued. Pauline's mixing all the tuna up like cement and putting it in a big plastic container into the glass. Old tuna mayonnaise and new tuna mayonnaise all mixed up together. All shiny underneath the yellow lights in the glass. Then she just stares at the stuff, looking as if she wants to jump into it, fill her ears up with mayo so as not to hear Carol banging on. Small girl is Pauline, all petite with mousy brown hair, ordinary looking, but with a really pretty cupid mouth. Her lips always seem really red, even though she don't wear lipstick. She's got a weird chin too, has Pauline, kind of like a bum.